Wow. Parrot.
Ayun, nasa ulo.
Ipon. Oh my God.
Hold your two hands.
Oh my.
Ayan, look.
Guys.
I share ate. I share ate. Look ate. Ate. Put that down. Okay. Ano siya niya here?
Wala na.
Only one.
Takuan ako ma. Then right side, see? Pugoy.
Mga busog man.
And lions are nocturnal, meaning they're most active. Come here!
May picture ka mo.
America.
Ipat. Picture ka da?
Fighting. Fighting.
Playing?
Ah, so cute.
Ayod manhan?
No, nocturnal honey. They run around at night. They do this.
And they're called. We have here our zebra. So the dog is the oryx gazelle. So its horn eland cluster. So elands are the largest antelopes globally, both in size and in weight. They can actually stand 5 feet tall. The grazer kudo. So grazer kudo are distinguished.
Kabaw.
So they're also known for becoming motionless when they sense any danger or threat.
Oh, dami-dami.
Bon, picture dali, Bon. Hey.
Princess!
Lebron.
Ayan na yung ate.
Yung baby oh.
Lebron.
Si Princess.
Wala. Joshua.
We have the princess. Sa paraw din na. We have the princess. Uy! 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 Gawin na. Ato, awan ko ato kada ko na huli. Ay nakuan. Ato, maglangon na sa dito. Matidag po.